the Supreme Court has verbally observed that the authorities must exercise restraint and tread carefully while responding to young student protesters, warning that any violent response to prevent violence only aggravates the situation. A bench led by Chief Justice of India Surya Khan made the remarks while hearing a plea seeking action against the Cockroach Janata Party over its alleged role in recent violence during Delhi protests and other parts of the country that saw protests, including allegations of stone pelting. The court tagged the matter with other pending petitions on violence during student protests and said it would hear all the issues together. Responding violently would only aggravate the situation. The biggest powerful source is listening to what they are saying and what they are agitating. That is the quote of the Chief Justice of India. He said this while also expressing confidence in the wisdom of law enforcement agencies to handle the situation. Some of important observations that are being made by the Supreme Court over all these cases of student protesters. Take us through the court observation in detail.
By the Chief Justice of India, and this was a particular petition filed in the Supreme Court seeking accountability of the protesters and the way protest was held. This was a detailed petition filed in the Supreme Court. However, the top court has tagged this particular petition with other matters because Supreme Court is continuously hearing similar kind of petitions, and now Centre and other parties will have to file a reply. But today, what the Chief Justice of India has observed is equally important. Here, CJI said that authorities must exercise restraint while dealing with the student protesters. That's one. And also, court has said that most powerful approach in democracy is listening to young protesters and understanding why are they agitating, what are their demands. So, conciliatory, in a way, need is to make a conversation with the protesters rather than responding the protest in a violent way, and especially in aggressive situations. There is a need to avoid, prevent violence, is what the Chief Justice of India has said. The bench has tagged this particular petition with other petitions relating to the violence during student protest. So, yes, obviously important remarks by the top court of the country, and that too by the Chief Justice of India. And because we are seeing protests, especially currently one protest is going on in a state of Jharkhand. So, for that as well, these remarks are important.
Absolutely. Samar, thank you for joining us with the details there. And moving on, viewers, let's get the latest on the Parliament monsoon session.